The United States and Israel have a toxic relationship. And other countries in the world look at us and like, oh, they're together. I hate when they're together. And it is toxic because it's codependent. Like, we need them to be our foothold in the Middle East for our imperial ventures, and they need us to give them all the weapons they need to do all this stuff. It's toxic because now we're at the point a lot of people want us to break up, but like, we're not doing it because we know each other's secrets. It really is like a toxic relationship. She can't leave me because I finance her lifestyle. And I can't leave her because she has pictures of me and all my friends sleeping with minors. And not actual me, guys, not actual me. That was what's called an analogy. For those who don't know, that was an Epstein reference. If you didn't know, Jeffrey Epstein was a Mossad agent. He was working for Mossad. This is not even a conspiracy anymore. I don't even know how much more evidence people need to see. But I still have to be careful because if I talk too much about Epstein, his lawyer could still come